Hello, today I will teach you how to sell items at Sakto.ph. First, open your browser, then type Sakto.ph. On the upper left corner, there is a button, My Dashboard. Click on it. On the left, there is a Create New Ad button. Click on it and select the category of your item, and then select if it is for sale, swap, or if you're finding that item. Type the name of your item, short description of your item, the description, select what country you from, city and region. There's a photo, you can upload it. Then type the price of your item, check the box, and the save draft, then publish ad. There you go. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website. Thank you.